Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with dry hair and a quick section. Shake the can for about 10 to 15 seconds so the powder disperses evenly. This prevents clumping. Section the hair into 1 to 2 inch parts and expose the roots. Apply short bursts from 6 to 8 inches away. Target oily zones, part lines, crown, and temples. You want light, controlled pulses rather than a single heavy spray. This gives coverage while avoiding visible residue and makes blending easier once you move to the next step. Once done spraying, wait 30 to 60 seconds so the formula can absorb oils and lift the hair. You then use your fingertips to massage the roots with quick scritching motions. This converts the powder into texture and distributes product where you need volume. Make sure to work in circular strokes. That lifts hair at the follicle. After massaging, comb or brush briefly to blend and remove excess. This step determines whether you get natural volume versus a powdery finish, so take your time. You finish by styling as usual. Use a cool blow dry for extra lift or shape with fingers for a lived-in look. If you notice white residue, brush through with a clean toothbrush or lightly rub with moist fingertips to blend. This removes visible powder without stripping texture. If hair feels weighed down, make sure to use shorter sprays and target only oily or flat areas next time. Finally, if volume drops during the day, a quick fingertip refresh at the roots restores lift without reapplying heavily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.